Yes, indeed, people. Welcome back. Welcome back, indeed. We're looking at Nirvana's On a Plane in this one. I can't believe I haven't done this one already. I thought I had, but I haven't finished it. Nevermind. So there'll be a couple more of these coming eventually. Now, before we get going, this one is in drop D, so the low string goes down 2 frets. Let's get stuck in, shall we? Now, right at the beginning, there's this, which is a bit of a sort of throwaway part, but worth learning. Basically, you're going to do 12, 13, 12, 13 as a slide, right? Then you play the 14th fret. But what I'm actually doing there is I'm putting simultaneously my little finger, so on the octave on the 16th fret on the G. But the D string is muted by the back of a bit of my second finger. Okay? But you're going to play. So my third and fourth fingers that I'm going to play the octave with are in the vicinity, right? They're lined up on the right frets as it is, right? And then you're into this bad boy. Now, I guess the phrasing's marginally unusual. You're going to play, basically, 2 of these. And then 1 of these. And then back again. So it's kind of a 3-time round phrase. Now, something to mention about the rhythm here is that it's very loose and strummy. And you're going to get in a load of open strings in between each chord change. Alright, and then none in between the 2 and the 3, right? But for these, wherever you're kind of changing position, there's always an open string, and I've tabbed it. But it's more incidental than deliberate, okay? It's just a byproduct of strumming and taking your fingers off the strings momentarily before you fret the next chord, okay? So, D, 5th fret on the A string. 3-finger chord on the 5th fret, low 3 strings. Down 2 frets. And then 2, 3, 2, 0. So that, slowly. Okay, now once you've played that twice, you're going to play this. And then you go back round. So that slowly is open string, then 3 on the C. It's just 2 frets down from where you started. Another open A. Down 1 fret. On the 2nd fret there, playing the B. Another open A. And then 3 on the A. So that sounds like a lot more than it is, but you basically, for this part, you're going to be playing an open A in between each chord change. One more time. So 2 there, 3 on the second one, and you repeat that again. 2 there, and then 3 on the other one. He mixes up the rhythm quite a lot actually throughout, but use that as a rule of thumb, right? Next riff goes like this. And all you're doing there is you're going from the D, but then you move your little finger, or your third finger, if that's how you're playing that first power chord, up 1 string. So you're just covering the 7th fret on the G string, and then your first finger just gets planted down on the 5th fret and it covers the rest. So you're kind of aiming for the low 3 anyway. And you play down, down, up. Again. Then you slide that same shape up 3 frets to the 8th fret. And I think you hear, I would play from the 6th string to the 2nd string there. Because you do hear these extra notes getting played. So slowly. Now, a slight addendum, you could just keep the D chord and then just plant your first finger, and then when you slide up, do the bit where you move your little finger down. I'm convinced that that's the right chord. I could be talked into, or I could be talked into one of either of those for the second chord, but I'm gonna plump for same chord there, right, that he's just sliding up to. So 5, 5, 5, 7. For what it's worth, then you're into this last riff, which is cool. Again, it's all 1-note chords. Funnily enough, Habit by Pearl Jam always reminds me of this riff. It's very similar, isn't it? Even the rhythm. So you've got... So 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7th fret. That's the same as the rhythm in bar 1, and then that's the same rhythm as bar 2. So 3rd fret to the 2nd fret, 7th fret to the 5th. Second time round you play. You just play 5 times on the 5. So that was it from me. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.